Hi, I'm Mr. Brock, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on our Buzz website that many of these classes use that you may have in virtual. So to get started with, you need to know where to find it, right? So it's at this website. Now, chances are there's going to be a link to this in your Google Classroom or in an email from your teacher. So hopefully you won't have to type that in. But if you did, that would be where it's at. So this is what the site should look like. If you're at the right website, it'll say Bentonville Schools, say Buzz up in the corner, has your username and password up at the right side. So the first most important thing you need to know is how do you log into Buzz? Well, let's use an example student here. We're going to talk about Vinny Virtual. Vinny Virtual is going to our virtual school here, and this is his school email, virtualv at bentonvillek12.org. So based on your email will be your username to log in with. So whatever that first portion before the at, just the username portion of your email will go right up here to the username. And then the password would be given to you by your teacher. But let's go ahead and log Vinny in. I've already got Vinny's name. I've got his password. And let me show you what it looks like when you log in. So when you log in, it'll have any of your classes that use Buzz will be right here on the first screen. So Vinny's got Algebra 2, and he has AP US History with Mr. Brock and Mr. Chapman. So let's look typically at what a course would look like when you get in there. So let's say looking at Algebra 2. So this is Module 5 would be next in this class. This is a second semester. Second semester start with Module 5. And here is all the listed assignments that are available right now for Vinny to go through. Now you'll see there's two different icons. There's this blank page icon, and then this one that has some icon with filled in paper. This first one is a lesson, and then the second one is the assignment that goes with the lesson. Now the question is, how do you know what's due when? Well, it'll be in Google Classroom, but also right here in Buzz. There is two different screens. This is the activity screen that we're at right now. There's also a grade screen. Okay, and the grade screen is where you need to get in the habit of going to look to see what's due, to see if you missed something that's past due. And I'll tell you, there's a shortcut to that. You don't have to go to this little menu up here. You can use this little icon right here. It says grades. If you click on that, that's the same screen that takes you to the menu. And here are the grades. Right, here's the Module 5, all the assignments we just looked at over there. If you've got it turned in, it will have your score right here if it's been graded. If it's multiple choice, Buzz will grade it. If you have to type in answers, your teacher will need to grade it, so you won't have a score yet. Status, there'll be a check mark there after you've turned it in, and it'll have the submitted date. It'll tell you exactly what day you turned in. But I can go here and I can see that the first two assignments are due January 15th. $5.1 and $5.2 are both due the 15th. Then there's 3 assignments due on the 22nd and 3 due on the 29th, including that's the practice test and the test, part 1 and part 2. So you can go to this screen anytime and see when the due dates are for upcoming assignments. And it'll also show past assignments with your grade. And if there's a blank one, it'll be red. The due date will be red because you missed it. You need to go complete that and get that turned in. So you can put this in grading categories, which is like EOLs or practice assignments, or syllabus order. This isn't syllabus order. If I switch it to grading category, right now these 3 are listed as practice. These are EOLs. All right, so you can do it. Syllabus order is the easiest one, so you don't miss anything. We can go back to the activity screen. And again, there's our activities. Now, if we need to go to our other class, we can go up to this menu and just go back up to that arrow, or we can hit the home button. If we just hit the home button, it'll take us back to all of our classes. We can go to our AP US History. So there's the modules there. It's got a lesson and assignment, lesson and assignment, lesson and assignment. So all the way down to the module 1 exam for that class. So that is a quick tutorial on this. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask your teacher. They can help you with anything that you're confused about and get you going down the right path. So have a great semester.